Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering assets and acting now. Import your video, PNG, and any SVGs into Capcut. Once done, set the timeline ratio to 16:9 or 9:16, depending on final output. This prevents rework later. Make a temporary 3-second placeholder clip for your main graphic and enable Grid plus Snap so alignment stays precise. Then lock the background layer. This protects your base footage while you animate foreground motion elements. Now you focus on animation. Add keyframes to position, scale, and rotation to create movement. Make sure to ease in and out of keyframes. This gives professional timing and feels natural. Separate elements into distinct layers, one for transform, one for drop shadow, and one mask layer for reveal effects so you can tweak depth independently. Apply motion blur around 10 to 20% and a subtle Gaussian blur of 5 to 8 pixels to sell distance and reduce jitter. This helps the eye. Finish by previewing at full quality and render cache if playback stutters, because a smooth preview reveals timing issues. Export using H.264, target bitrate 8 to 12 megabits per second for 1080p, and match your timeline frame rate so motion stays accurate. If you see jumpy rotations or clips shifting, recenter the anchor point and reapply easing to those keyframes. This is the most common fix. Also, make sure layers are properly parented before final render to avoid drift.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.